Alright guys, welcome back to another video. As y'all can see today we got an open hood. So you already know what we're about to do. So today, let me get my camera set up. So today I got an 08, I think it's an 08. 07 or 08, I think it's 07. 07 Mercedes CLS 550, 5.5, sorry. The big boy engine. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do the radiator on this thing. Not too hard. Everybody think Mercedes and BMWs are the hardest things to work on. They're really not. I'm going to show you guys how to knock this thing out real quick. So let's get to it. Less talking, more working. All right, y'all. So the first thing, geez, mosquitoes are biting me. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take out this little radiator support, whatever you want to call this thing right here. And there's the push pop. There's two push pops. One right here, one right there. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 T30 screws. But wait a minute, let me go get my mosquito spray because they're not playing on me this morning. Alright, back to what I was saying. Let me get my T30 and my drill. Okay. So here's the T30. That's what you need. T30 star. Most of Mercedes screws and bolts are either 10 millimeters or these stars. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so the next thing are these little push pops. They're little tiny, little small push pop things. You need this tool right here. Just reach up under it and pull it up. Obviously, Mercedes isn't going to be that easy, so put the camera down. Get to it. Next, there's two more of those little stupid things. We're gonna take these two off next. I don't think we need to, but kind of do. And then there's a 10 millimeter rusty screw right here. Let me get my 10. Whole support should now come all the way off. Only thing that should be holding it is the cable for the hood latch cable. Yep, and that's exactly what's holding it. Just gonna pop that out of there. Pop it out of there. Now that you have this support off, everything is a lot easier. The radiator is pretty much fully exposed. Next thing we're gonna do is first get all this crap out of the way. And then we're gonna get our fan and stuff unplugged. So let me bring you up a little bit closer so you guys can see. Down a little bit more, probably about right there. So next what I'm gonna do, I'm actually just gonna go ahead and get the fan off first because I need to get the other stuff out of the way to get the fan off. There's no space, guys, none at all. And it's already wiggly, so it should be pretty easy. So there's a plug right here, as you can see. This plug goes to the fan, two little clips and it pops right up. Easy. Get my light. Okay, next thing we're going to do, there are 1, 2, 3. There are 3 hoses that go to the radiator. So let's get to those. I want to take the fan out first though. The fan should just pull right up, or there's actually clips on it. There's these clips right here, right here. These little clips got to come up. You pull these little clips out. Obviously I can't do it with one hand, they're not that easy. So I'm going to get the clips pulled out on each end. fan moving. You should honestly just pull it right up. So instead of taking the fan out, we're gonna go ahead and get the clips off of these hoses. I'm gonna just get the clips off of these hoses, and then I'll show you guys after I get the clips off, because there's really no space to show you guys how to do it. So let's take these. There's the fluids. Probably a good idea to put a bucket up under, but who cares? It'll be fine. Just sweep it out of here later. Okay, so we got our fan out of the way. Everything else down here is so simple. Once the fan is out of the way, you pretty much win after that. Let me get the camera set up so I can show you guys how it looks after you take the fan out. This is how it looks. There's the first hose still leaking. You got one hose right there that is leaking onto, and then you got one hose over here, or right there. That one right here that goes to this pipe right here. And then after that one hose come out, this whole radiator should just pull up and pull right out. So let me get those last two hoses off. Let's get this. All right, guys. See, that was very simple. Not as hard, not nearly as hard as they make it seem like it really is. Not too hard, you know. I mean, it's a little challenging. Everything has a challenge to it, but here's our radiator right here, fully taken out of the car. It has a crack in it. It's leaking on the side right here where you see that white stuff. That's old antifreeze. They do make these things a little more complicated than they should have, but hey, life's complicated. So I think I'm gonna end the video here. I mean, once you get it out, it's pretty much self-explanatory how to get it back in. So thank you guys for watching as usual. Going to the top, baby. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.